Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I am your teacher Ambish. This video lesson is for grade 6 from chapter number 13, Information Handling. Okay, before starting our lesson, I will give you an introduction about the information handling. Information handling is a branch of statistics that deals with the collection, analysis, explanation and presentation of a data. Okay, what is the data? Data is the information that we have collected. When we collect the data, it is in the form of raw material. But after that, we are arranging it according to our need. We are making the tables and different charts and graphs by using this data. So that is called the statistics. And why we need that all data and why we need that graph and charts? Because what information we want to conclude from that data, for this purpose we are making such kind of graphs and that tables to want the information. Okay, the word statistics has been deduced from the Latin word statisticum collegium, means the council of the state, and the Italian word statistica means politician. So it is derived from the two words. Okay, now moving to the next, the data and its type. A data is a set of information and facts that is represented in the form of figure. We can arrange the data in the form of a chart or in the form of a table, and it is not only in the form of figure. We can make the table from our data. So it could not be only in the form of figure, it could be in the form of any table and in the form of bar graph or in the form of pie graph. We will discuss all these things in this lesson. We can collect the data by several ways depending upon the quantity of the data and the reason for its collection. Before taking the data, first of all we should know what is the need and what kind of data we want to collect. For example, Miss Ifra, she is a manager of a restaurant and she want to know the liking of the food for her restaurant among its customers. For this purpose, she gives a survey form to the 100 regular customers and asks them to collect only one favorite to select only one favorite food for the restaurant. From the survey form, she makes the data table which is given below. But before showing that table, I just wanted to tell you one thing, that why Miss Ifra need to collect the data or information from the customer, because in this way she can easily understand that what is the favorite food of that restaurant and what is the least favorite food of that restaurant, and by this information she can improve the income or the other things of the restaurant. So now we are moving to the table. This is the table she made with the help of the information collected from her 100 customers. So food name is written on the first row and the number of the customer are written in the second row. The food that is liked the most is the chicken tikka. Out of 100, the 48 people like that food. After that, the roasted beef, it is liked by 10 people. Then the fried fish, 20 people like this food, and the mutton kadai, 14 people like this food, and the other foods, there are many miscellaneous foods, so these are called by the 8 people. From the above table, Miss Ifra concluded that the most favorite food of her restaurant is chicken tikka. And similarly, we can collect and arrange a data according to the any set of information to derive the results that help us to examine our past and the plans our future. So such kind of information we can collect for anything, and after that by our conclusion we can improve the thing which we want to know. For this purpose, Miss Ifra, she circulated that questionnaire. So by this questionnaire, she got the information. For example, she want to know about the favorite food. So she wrote the name of different food and she gave the option to select anyone from that given food. And after filling of the 100 questionnaire by the customer, she come to that point that the favorite food of her restaurant is chicken tikka and the least favorite food is the other food, because it was liked by the 8 people out of 100. So same way we can collect the information of our own choice and we can make the tables according to the data. And in this lesson we will discuss about the types of data and its presentation.